Good morning, this is your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Still seeing some light rain pushing through the area. Most of the lightning has diminished or stayed further away from the local area, so we are currently not in a lightning advisory or warning at this time. But that risk still runs as we go through the morning and afternoon today. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we have a boundary stretched across the southeast coast associated with some upper level energy, a few areas of low pressure along that boundary, and some shower activity in the area. That's going to be tracking off to the east-northeast as we go through the day today, and we'll see things start to become more scattered to isolated as we get into the afternoon, and things clearing up as we go into the evening hours. If we look at the upper level winds from this morning's sounding, we have some south-southeasterly winds to south winds below 9,000 feet, becoming more southwest to west southwesterly as we get above 9,000 feet. Seeing fairly light winds with our peak wind at 21 knots at 25,000 feet, and seeing that freezing level at 12,200 feet. Quick look at the local radar. We can see still have that rain shield over the area, mainly light rain across the area, and then we have some of these more moderate rain showers embedded within this, and some more isolated moderate showers off to the northwest. Do have a little bit of lightning about 25 to 35 nautical miles off to the southeast. That's continuing to track off to the east-northeast and not looking to be a threat at the moment. If we look at the visible satellite composite radar, we can see again that larger rain shield continuing to move off to the east-northeast as we move through the morning today. If we look at the European model, see how things play out over the next several days. Again, as we move through the day today, we will see these showers continue to move off to the east-northeast. We'll see things become more scattered, isolated as we get later in the day, and then eventually we'll see the rain showers start to diminish as we go through the overnight. And into the morning hours of Tuesday, we'll pick up a risk of seeing some mist and fog in the area early Tuesday before sunrise, and then as we go through the day, Tuesday, starting off mainly dry, should see dry conditions for most of the day. Can't rule out pop-up shower during the afternoon, and then we'll have some upper level energy moving through the area as we get later in the afternoon and into the evening hours. That's going to bring a chance of a few showers pushing through the area before they start to diminish as we go through the overnight hours. And as we go into Wednesday, we'll see things start to warm up and become more humid, and expecting mainly dry conditions with a very slight chance of a pop-up shower as we move through the day on Wednesday. If we look at the extended forecast and zoom out here, we'll see some upper level ridging starts to build east. That's going to help keep things hot and humid as we end the week, and it's also going to help to keep things mainly dry. Can't really rule out a very slight chance of a pop-up shower or storm here or there, but overall things should remain dry, and again they'll be hot and humid as we move through the end of the week. And we could see some breezy conditions as well to end the week. As we go into the weekend, we'll see that upper level ridge start to break down a bit, and a few pieces of upper level energy move through the area. That's going to bring a chance for some afternoon showers and storms both on Saturday afternoon as well as potentially Sunday afternoon. And as we go into our Monday next week, things look to start off on the dry side. So we look at a 24-hour weather risk chart for today. Again, we are red for precip as we move through the morning hours this morning, keeping an orange risk as we go into the afternoon, and yellow as we get into the later part of the afternoon into the evening. Keep an orange risk throughout the same time frame through the afternoon, and then dropping down to a yellow as we go into the evening hours. And for any moderate showers moving through the area, you can see those visibilities reduced, so we keep that yellow risk for those reduced visibilities as we go through the day today. But overall, just seeing those scattered showers around as we move through the morning, and again becoming more scattered to isolated as we get into the afternoon before things start to diminish going into the overnight hours. Won't see temperatures warm up too much today, expecting a high around 82 possibly this for the late afternoon. Otherwise, some south-southeasterly breeze, 7 to 12 knots, gusting up to 17 knots as we move through the day. And then we'll see that start to diminish as we go through the overnight, becoming light and variable as we go into Tuesday morning with a low around 71 degrees. And we pick up that yellow risk for reduced ceilings of visibilities as we pick up a chance of seeing some patchy mist and fog in the area for the start of the morning on Tuesday. Tides are running normal at the moment. As we go into Tuesday through Wednesday, we'll see partly to mostly cloudy conditions on Tuesday. We'll see that chance of a pop-up shower during the afternoon, but a better chance of a few showers and storms moving through with that upper level energy later in the day. So we do have that yellow chance for precip and lightning, and that continues as we go into the first part of Tuesday evening with that chance of showers and storms early, and then we'll see things becoming partly cloudy as we get into Wednesday morning with the low around 71. And as we go into Wednesday, looking like green conditions at this time for Wednesday with partly cloudy conditions. We'll have that very slight chance of afternoon pop-up shower, but otherwise we'll see warmer and more humid conditions with those heat index values rising into the mid to upper 90s with the actual temperature high around 88 degrees. If we look at the extended forecast as we go into Thursday and Friday, we'll see partly cloudy days for both days as well as some breezy conditions, and we'll see those temperatures up in the low 90s, and we'll see those heat index values likely getting up to around 100 for both those days as well. We'll see those low temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. And then as we go into the weekend, we'll see partly to mostly cloudy conditions and a chance of those afternoon showers or storms on both days, Saturday and Sunday. Expecting a high around 90 degrees for Saturday, and then dropping a couple degrees to 87 for our Sunday with those lows in the mid 70s. Well, that will wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 to 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.